Jackson Township, and with the last rains, I got flooded once again in my basement, not the first time. Did try to reach out to some other folks for some restoration, and it didn't work out. But then, turning point, my son found them, I believe by Googling them or somehow, and within a short time, just talking to the first gentleman, they came out very quickly, talked to the owner, pleased to find out that a local company, only in Pennsylvania, small business, which I love promoting, and they have just been life-saving in helping me to clean out my basement and restore it. I had ductwork, furnace, everything that you normally have in a basement for maintaining your house for water and heat and air conditioning. So within 2 days, they've been here working nonstop in really not ideal conditions, very, very humid, hot conditions. And I just can't thank them enough for their service and their work. And I would certainly support them and refer them to anyone in the future that might have need of this service. So just want to give a shout out and just say thanks beyond words for what they've done. Thanks. Have a good day.